you're alone. But don't worry about that, because I have a solution for you. And it is the real Amatriciana, the best Amatriciana of your life. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! First of all, we need a pot, because we need water, because we need to boil water, and not to put the pasta in water before boiling it. Do I have your attention, English people? What the? Could have a problem here. Ah, shit!
Is this the way you're supposed to make?
And then let's wait until it's boiling.
Speech is my recital. I think it's very vital.
What the fuck? In the meantime, we're going to cut the pig cheek. And remember, not bacon. Now, in the pan. So, not use oil, because they are already quite fatty. To keep them crunchy, take a few of them and put it apart. Ready to put tomato sauce, not ketchup. Remember, tomato sauce. Take a little of water. Then a pinch of salt. Cover it with a low flame. So, as a traditional dish, use bucatini and not spaghetti. And when it's boiling, do it that way. Put a pinch of salt in water. 2 minutes before the timing on the package, add some pecorino cheese and a little of crunchy pig cheek.